welcome to a Durst product preview of the Hypastart Super Capacitor Jump Starter. Steve down at Newcrest Mines in Cadia Valley doing an on-site test of the Durst Hypastart. It's a Super Capacitor Jump Starter. It doesn't use any batteries, it uses super capacitors. Here it's hooked up to a CAT R3000 which has a 15 litre engine. It runs on a 24 volt system using two 12 volt batteries in series with 1400 cold cranking amps. We flatten the batteries down to under 15 volts. This should be over 24 volts to get this unit running. And the Hypastart unit will draw power from any dead flat battery within minutes and then be able to jump start a vehicle. The R3000 starting procedure means turning on the electrical system, all of the lights, it sounds a warning siren, even the air conditioner's running. And this portable carry jump starter is able to jump start this massive vehicle. So I think you can see this is a game changer for the mining industry. There's no danger of gassing because the unit doesn't contain any batteries. Even a lithium battery can pose that gassing danger. Here you see the smaller Hypastart carry unit hooked up to a four-wheel drive, and we tested this unit to see how many times in a row it would start this vehicle. The vehicle's being turned on, the engine's running, then turned off, and then started again, and the small Hypastart carry jump starter was able to jump start this vehicle 8 times in a row. Now of course if you keep the engine running after you start it and keep the Hypastart attached, within minutes the Hypastart will charge back up to about 14.5 volts. And if you want to charge it for longer, leave it charging for 15 minutes, it will charge up to a full charge of 15.5 volts. So I think you can see that even if you leave the Hypastart on a shelf for months with no charge, you can hook it up to a vehicle and within minutes get it up and running again. It's a safe solution, it's a very powerful solution, it's in production now, it's about to be released very soon. There are larger units in production as well, so stay tuned. Visit durst.com.au to keep up to date. Durst is a leading manufacturer of diagnostic and charging equipment for the automobile and heavy industry. Durst has been manufacturing in Australia since 1918. It's a trusted and reliable brand. So thanks for watching this product preview today. Stay tuned for more and have a great day.